Hi, my name is Andrea and this is my brother Moris, and today we are going to show you how we made this toolbox out of Pallet. This is for Pallet Challenge 2014. Enjoy the video! This is the first video I've made in Croatia and the first one I've made with my brother Moris. We decided to make this toolbox using just hand tools. We work in a really small basement shop in the apartment building. Moris brought an old pallet and we started to take it apart. The blocks we broke were made of particle board, so it was unnecessary to save them. That made a big mess in the basement hallway. Good job, brother.
Yes.
Some nails survived, so we took them out. We planed some boards so we can join them together for the sides. We put some glue and clamps and left it overnight to dry. The next day we saw it in two pieces and made the sides. We made notches in the sides for the handle. Later we found some more hidden nails we had to remove. Then we use a rasp and the sandpaper to shape the parts and take all of the rough spots. We assemble the sides with glue and nails. Moris used a knife blade to shape the handle. Then we glued in the handle. We glue last the bottom in, which we plan to fit perfectly inside. We also toe-nailed the handle. Then I burned in our names. Moris decided to etch one piece of metal plate so we can insert it in the handle. Then we applied chain oil to the box for wood protection. Finally, we can fill it up with tools. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button for more videos. Take care and thanks for watching.